Bamboo Alphonse Karr, or Bambusa multiplex, is a species of bamboo native to China. It is also naturalized in Iraq, Madagascar, Seychelles, the Indian subcontinent, parts of South America, the West Indies, and the southeastern United States, including Florida, Georgia, and Alabama. Alphonse Karr is commonly considered a collector's bamboo. This is mainly due to the plant's great adaptability, versatility, and beautiful attributes. Featuring brightly striped canes of yellow and green, this bamboo makes an excellent centerpiece and conversational piece. Not to mention an amazingly beautiful hedge or screen. When new shoots are young, they appear green and pink, offering a bright splash of color that is both unique and appealing. Due to its clumpy nature, Alphonse Karr forms compact, symmetrical circles. In addition, it is also very easy to maintain regardless of what you use it for. This is a bamboo plant that thrives outdoors in a number of conditions, down to 12 degrees Fahrenheit and even in some soggy conditions. Alphonse Karr makes a great potted plant in an easy 30 to 40 foot screen or even 6 foot tall hedge. To care for Alphonse Karr, more attention is needed for the first few years. This ensures the bamboos will be well established. They are drought resistant once established, but in the beginning they should be watered regularly, at least once a week. Pruning also assists the maturity of these plants. Removing aging or dead clumps helps the bamboos redirect their energy to stronger growth. Fertilizer can help as well, especially in the spring. Good companion plant suggestions are Mexican petunia, white bird of paradise, macho fern, elephant ears, hairgrass, walking iris, some philodendrons. The plant is sometimes harvested for its edible young shoots and culms that are used for weaving, paper making, and more. Plants are widely cultivated in the tropics as ornamentals and in hedges.